Hello everybody and welcome back to my English space. Do you find names of countries and nationalities confusing in English? Well then, if that is your case, then keep on watching. In this video, we are going to look at different names of countries and nationalities, but also languages together, and also take a couple exceptions, common exceptions that you might have problems with, and of course examples from the real world. So you'll never again have any more problems. Are you okay with this? Then let's get right into it. One more question though. Are you subscribed yet? If you aren't, then smash my subscribe button down below and also click on the little bell icon down there to get notified each time that I post a new lesson, because that is the way to grow your English with my English space and the teacher on duty right here. Thank you so much. Well, now we're ready to go. And the first thing to start off with is countries. And you saying where you are from. The right way to do it is, where are you from? People will ask you this question. Where are you from? Or faster, where are you from? Where from? Very good. And you will say, of course, I am from Romania. I'm from Romania. And I'm proud. So you'll have to use the verb to be, I am or I'm, then the preposition from, which shows the place, be it the country or the region that you're from, I'm from, and the name of your country. I'm from Romania. There you have it. Next on, we'll be moving to names of nationalities, which are so tightly linked to the countries. So we'll have to divide them into 4 big categories, depending on the ending they end on. So let's go. The first category is the one ending in N or yen, either with an I or an E. Okay? So let's see. Pay great attention, so be all ears to the pronunciation of these countries and nationalities. Good. Are you ready? Let's go. Bulgaria. Bulgarian. I will say them twice. Be sure to repeat them after me. Bulgaria, Bulgarian. Hungary, Hungarian. Hungary, Hungarian. Serbia, Serbian. Serbia, Serbian. Italy, Italian. Italy, Italian. America, American. America, American. Germany, German. Germany, German. Brazil, Brazilian. Brazil, Brazilian. Argentina, Argentinian. Argentina, Argentinian. Belgium, Belgian. Belgium, Belgian. Peru, Peruvian. Peru, Peruvian. Ukraine, Ukrainian. Ukraine, Ukrainian. Egypt, Egyptian. Egypt, Egyptian. Cameroon, Cameroonian. Cameroon, Cameroonian. India, Indian. India, Indian. Korea, Korean. Korea, Korean. Very good. Great job. Jordan, Jordanian. Jordan, Jordanian. Chile, Chilean. Chile, Chilean. Norway, Norwegian. Norway, Norwegian. And with this, we are done, yeah? Now, let's move on to the second category, which is ch or ish, yeah? Ch or ish. So, let's go. England, English. England, English. Ireland, Irish. Ireland, Irish. Denmark, Danish. Denmark, Danish. Turkey, Turkish. Turkey, Turkish. Sweden, Swedish. Sweden, Swedish. Finland, Finnish. Finland, Finnish. Poland, Polish. Poland, Polish. Spain, Spanish. Spain, Spanish. Netherlands or Holland, Dutch. Netherlands, Holland, Dutch. And finally, we have France, French. France, French. Now heading over to our third category, which ends in ease. Ease. Let's go. China, Chinese. China, Chinese. Japan, Japanese. Japan, Japanese. Vietnam, Vietnamese. Vietnam, Vietnamese. Taiwan, Taiwanese. Taiwan, Taiwanese. The fourth category and the last one with nationalities is the one containing other names for nationalities other than the ones mentioned before, which are irregular. These ones you'll have to remember them, to learn them by heart because there is no other rule to do it. So let's go. Czech Republic, Czech. Czech Republic, Czech. Greece, Greek. Greece, Greek. Philippines, Filipino. Philippines, Filipino. Switzerland, Swiss. Switzerland, Swiss. Qatar, Qatari. Qatar, Qatari. Iceland, Icelander. Iceland, Icelander. New Zealand, New Zealander. New Zealand, New Zealander. Iraq, Iraqi. Iraq, Iraqi. Israel, Israeli. Israel, Israeli. Pakistan, Pakistani. Pakistan, Pakistani. Saudi Arabia, Saudi. Saudi Arabia, Saudi. And finally, we have Thailand, Thai. Thailand, Thai. There you have it. Now, the right way to go about it, with nationalities, isn't the question, what nationality are you? Yeah? People will hardly ever say this. Yeah? So you will never get to answer, my nationality is Romanian, because this sounds so stiff. Yeah? So not like the real world. Instead, you will just say, I am Romanian. Yeah? So again, the verb to be plus the nationality adjective. In my case, it's Romanian. Yeah? Or you can say, my best friend is from Thailand. He is Thai. Or, my mom is from Italy. She is Italian. Or, my uncle comes from Switzerland. He is Swiss. Okay? Now, I hope you got it right and you're going to use it correctly. Now that you know the countries and the nationality adjectives correlated with the countries, I want to tell you how to refer to the people of these countries, either in the singular, a person of that country, or the plural, the whole nation. So, let's see. There are also two categories here, and those are For nationalities ending in N or yen, we shall use for the singular the normal a Romanian. A Romanian is a warm-hearted person. Or for the plural, just add s to the end of it. Romanians are warm-hearted people. Yeah? Or Romanian, Romanians. An Italian, Italians. An American, Americans. While the second category is made up of nationalities ending in ish or ch. Yeah? And with the singular, we shall have there are some different names for them, yeah? So again, you'll have to remember them. Let's see. For example, a person from France is called a French woman or a Frenchman, yeah? And for the plural, it's the French, yeah? The French or French people are nice, are very modern. Yeah, French people are very modern. Good. For example, somebody from Holland or the Netherlands, we will call them a Dutchman or a Dutch woman. A Dutchman or a Dutch woman, or the Dutch. Yeah, or the Dutch are used to the winds and cold. Or Dutch people. Dutch people. Yeah? Good. We also have, let's see, people from England, also an Englishman or an Englishwoman, or the English or English people. English people are known to be more reserved but very polite. Other examples of irregularities when it comes to the people of a certain country are Finland, a Finn, or the Finns. Next, we've got Switzerland, or Swiss, or the Swiss, or Swiss people. Next, we've got Poland with Pole, which describes a person, be it a man or a woman from Poland. So Pole or the Poles, the Poles. For Turkey, for the people in Turkey, we have a Turk, be it a man or a woman, and the Turks, the Turks. For the people in Denmark, we have a Dane, or the Danes, the Danes. For the people in Thailand, we have a Thai, the Thai, and Thai people, Thai people. For the people in, let's see, Sweden, we have a Swede, and the Swede. Alrighty, I know it's been quite some vocabulary for you to take in, but I know this will come in handy for sure at some point. Good. With this, we are done. Countries and nationalities aside, we shall move on to the language. And the language, I want you to know, is similar to the nationality adjective, yeah? So, for example, to get this straight once and for all, I am from Romania. I am Romanian. I speak Romanian. Or, let's take another country, and that will be Spain, because this is also different. He is from Spain. He is Spanish. He is a Spaniard. There you go, a different word to name the person from Spain. He is a Spaniard. He speaks Spanish. Now, let's take the country the UAE. What country is that, by the way? It's the United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. Yes, some countries do take the with their names, like in this case. And the name of the nationality is Arab, an Arab, or the Arabs to name the whole nation, or Arab people. And for the country, it's different. Arabic. Arabic. He speaks Arabic. There you have it. So it's, yeah, different from different countries, the language, but generally you need to know that the name of the language is similar to the nationality adjective, yeah, in most cases. This said, we are finally done. I know that it's taken us a bit longer than the usual, but yeah, I just wanted you to know as many countries, nationality, and languages as possible, and also keep in mind those special cases, those exceptions, so that you are updated on them. Now, if you do know some others, please leave them here in the comments, yeah, examples of such exceptions, and I'll be glad to take them in myself as well. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Now, don't forget that practice makes perfect, so make sure you find a way to build a couple sentences telling me in the comments where you are from and what nationality you are. That may be, of course, different from your country, and also what language you speak, because in this case that may also be different. Thank you so much again, and I will see you next time right here on my English Space. Bye for now.